Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to connect to your server using SSH with HostGator. Whether you're managing a website or just exploring server capabilities, learning SSH is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and keep this process simple. First, open your web browser and head over to hostgator.com. On the home page, click the Sign In button at the top right corner, then enter your username and password. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. From here, click the Websites option to access your hosting management area. Inside the Websites section, look for Settings and click it. This will bring up a panel with more advanced configuration options. Next, click on the Advanced option. This is where you'll find tools for deeper customization, including SSH access. Scroll down until you see SSH keys. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a secure protocol that lets you run commands and manage your server remotely while keeping everything encrypted. Click on the Manage button next to SSH keys. Here you can add new keys or edit existing ones. These keys are what give you secure access to your server. Make sure your SSH keys are always up to date and never share them publicly. This ensures safe and reliable server management. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate HostGator's dashboard and manage your SSH connection. Remember, SSH isn't just about access. It's about secure access. Thanks for watching and check out more tutorials to sharpen your server management skills.